The Golden Secrets of Drawing. Number 18. Become a good and positive critic. You may well have a little voice inside your head that is the world's worst and harshest critic. It probably tells you that everything you draw is rubbish. That voice might be the main thing that has held you back all these years. When you draw, just do your best. While you're drawing, analyse and make corrections if needed. Only when you have finished should you criticise the work. First, pat yourself on the back for finishing the drawing. That is an achievement in itself. Then, calmly seek out the bits that didn't work. Decide what went wrong and how you might get it right next time. Maybe rehearse the corrections. Then look for the good bits, however small. Praise yourself for getting them right and then put the work away. Leave yourself with the positivity of having addressed the problems and having found something good in the work. 2 weeks later, come back and review the work, and you will see that it is much better than you remember. Getting too close to something only lets you see the flaws, not the overall good. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a camera? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.